What makes the Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler different from anything else on the market? Well, keep watching as we go over the top 6 things that makes this stand out and saves you time and money. First of all, we'll start off with the dedicated fitting kits. Now, depending on what make of machines or models you run, different dealers or OEM manufacturers have different lengths of pipework or different pipework arrangements on the machine from factory. So you may require a dedicated fitting kit to attach your Rhinox HQX Quick Coupler to your machine. To make it simpler and easier for you when fitting your Rhinox HQX Quick Coupler, we've decided to go down the route of the direct fitting kit for your machine, not just for the make of your machine, but for the model of your machine. Now, why have we done this? We have gone back over several lots of feedback from our customers, and their biggest pain point is the fitting kit. It comes with a variety of fitments and often the wrong fitments. So we have taken the time and energy to go around and research and provide you a dedicated fitting kit, which cuts the fitting time from around about 4 to 6 hours down to only 3 hours. And we don't stop there. We've even gone to the effort of color coding the connectors, so you know what goes with what, to make it so easy for you to fit the unique Rhinox HQX Quick Coupler. All of the Rhinox HQX Quick Couplers come with a user manual. This is an excellent tool for your hints and tips and any questions that you have during the fitting process. Now, with the dedicated fitting kits, this means that we know what is in each individual kit. So whether it comes to replacements or spares, they are available in a next day delivery to you. So what's included in the fitting kit? The first part is the coupler activation switch located in the cab that allows you to unlock and lock the latch of your coupler. So when you're picking up a new attachment, it locks the attachment on. When you want to change, you simply unlock it and it releases the latch, which allows you to set that down and pick up the next attachment. The coupler control unit, which is used for testing and troubleshooting, and then all the necessary hoses, fixings and connections for your make and model of machine. So number 2, inbuilt safety features. To ensure that your operation remains safe with the quick coupler at all times, Rhinox has developed and manufactured numerous safety features. The hitch features a double locking mechanism which holds the front and back pin in place at all times. The locking rear latch locks the rear pin into the latch, and the oversized coil spring adds pressure to maintain force against each pin during operation. Now, the curved front latch has got its own little locking device in here. Now, what's the purpose of that? When you've released the attachment or bucket, it's designed to stop the attachment or bucket completely detaching from the hitch. It ensures that the attachment will just swing until you've set it down and can safely release it. Now, if there ever was a hydraulic system failure, say for instance one of your hoses pops off or it's split, which reduces that pressure, Rhinox have installed a hydraulic check valve which maintains that pressure in the latch to prevent any attachment or bucket from detaching at any point. Now, without this feature, it is highly possible that your bucket or attachment could detach, which could lead to injury, which none of us ever want to see on any site. Then number 3, we have rapid servicing and maintenance. Keeping your downtime to a minimum is highly important to Rhinox. That is why we've designed the coupler from a one-piece cast assembly. The whole unit is one-piece cast and the latch is a one-piece cast frame. There is really little to go wrong with this hitch in the way that it is being designed, and the simplicity of this design means that you keep servicing down to within an hour. You can completely disassemble the hitch within 15 minutes for a full inspection. The hydraulic system needs minimal upkeep. With its 0 greasing points, this means that it keeps you efficient at all times. And if ever you needed replacement parts, we keep them in stock for a next day delivery, minimising your downtime. And number 4, a Lola tested lifting eye. The Rhinox HQX Quick Coupler is manufactured with a Lola tested lifting eye above the latch. This means it is in a perfect position for lifting those heavy and awkward objects without the need for additional attachments on your machine. And to make sure that you stay within the safety guidelines, we supply the hitch Lola tested for 6 months, registered from the date that it is dispatched. Your coupler will be Lola rated from 800 to 5,000 kilos, depending on the size of your machine. The working load limit of your coupler will be located on the data plate on the internal frame of your coupler, and also stamped into the external on the casting of your coupler. Number 5, 2-year warranty. Your hydraulic quick coupler comes manufactured from a high-strength cast steel body and comes ready to fit to your machine with the pins provided with your machine. We understand the demands of your project and the environment in which these quick couplers work in. That is why we are prepared to stand behind our product with this 2-year warranty. We really want to provide you with the security and the confidence for every hour of operation. Every hydraulic quick coupler purchased from Rhinox must be registered by the user on our website to take full advantage of this 2-year warranty. If you've bought it through a dealer, do not assume that they have done it for you. If in doubt, re-register it yourself to take advantage of this warranty. The link to register is found in the description below. Number 6, carbon neutral. The Rhinox Hydraulic Quick Coupler is the world's first carbon neutral quick coupler on the market. This is a huge benefit to you as it helps you align with your environmental conscious practices. For projects such as HS2 and many other global leading projects, it demonstrates your commitment to your corporate social responsibility. As we're all trying to reduce our carbon footprint right across the globe, working with companies like Rhinox that have developed and use carbon neutral practices within the builds of their products, we are really a no-brainer to work with. Using a carbon neutral hydraulic quick coupler, it contributes to reducing negative climate change and encourages a reduced dependency on fossil fuels. This benefit extends far beyond your individual businesses and ultimately works towards a more sustainable future. Don't forget to reach out to your dealer and express interest via your dealer, or visit our website and place your order online, and we'll be in touch for a date to fit your coupler. The Rhinox quick coupler, the hydraulic, extends far beyond your individual business. I cannot say it. What's going on?